No, no what, Zara? No what? No what? Zara, where's Daddy? Can you say Daddy? Can you say Daddy? Nope, I don't feel like it. Can you say Mommy? Mommy?
Oh, we put these on back.
Zeke, can you say Mommy? I heard Roman up there.
Snacky?
Can you say something at all? You're starting to say stuff. We want to see you say it so we can put it on YouTube. Well, we apparently know that the camera is a no-go. Okay, bye-bye then. Say bye-bye.
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 We'll have to get Roman. He's really talking. Zara, she's starting to, but she's obviously not going to give it up easy. Classic Z.